WireGuard VPN. The fastest, simplest, and most modern VPN solution. Let's learn how it works. WireGuard is a modern VPN protocol. Only 4,000 lines of code compared to OpenVPN's 100,000 plus. It's faster, simpler, and more secure by design. WireGuard uses public key cryptography. Each peer has a private key and a public key. Data is encrypted end-to-end. No one can intercept your traffic. The four key concepts are: private key which you keep secret, public key which you share with peers, allowed IPs for routing, and endpoint for the server address. Let's compare WireGuard with traditional VPNs. WireGuard wins in speed, setup simplicity, code auditability, security, and resource usage. It's the future of VPN technology. WireGuard operates at Layer 3, using UDP protocol on port 51820. It creates a virtual network interface. All traffic through this interface is automatically encrypted using modern cryptography, SHA-20 for encryption and Poly 1305 for authentication. Let's set up a Road Warrior VPN. A remote client connecting to a server. The server has a public IP. The client gets a private IP in the VPN network. Here are the 5 setup steps. First, install WireGuard on the server. Generate your keys. Create the configuration file with your private key and the client's public key. The server config includes the interface section with private key, address, and listen port. The peer section contains the client's public key and allowed IPs. Start the service. That's it for the server. On the client, install WireGuard, generate keys, and create the config. Add the server's public key and endpoint. The client config includes the interface section with private key and address, and the peer section with server public key, endpoint, allowed IPs for all traffic, and persistent keep alive. Start the interface. Ping the server to test. You're now connected. Your WireGuard VPN is now active. All your traffic is encrypted and routed through the server. Your real IP is hidden. The connection is secure. Thanks for watching. You've learned WireGuard VPN basics. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Questions? Drop them in the comments.